Good morning everyone. Now I am going to tell you about the map. This is the India map that usually you are getting for your examination. ICIC examination 2025 geography. So 20 location I am going to tell you today that are very much important according to me. These are very important for your coming examination. So we will start from the river side, children. This is river Indus. Okay, this one is important, and you can see here this is Mansarovar Lake, Rangasthan Lake. So, and this one is Satluj River. Okay, this one is Satluj River. Indus, once again you check Indus and Satluj. The origin is the same in Tibet, and in between, in these two rivers, in between there are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, and this one is Beas. So, it's not visible. Indus, Satluj, Jhelum, and then Chenab. These four rivers are important. And again, one more important river is, this is Tapti river. Beside of Narmada river, Tapti river is important. Here, it's yesterday also I told you Krishna and Kaveri. Krishna and Kaveri. Here you can see Meghalaya. Downside of Brahmaputra river, you can locate Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. Come closer to the screen. See Garo, Khasi and Jaintia in a straight line between little gap. You need to locate Garo, Khasi, Jaintia, and we can see the stretch of Himalaya. This is the Himalaya, and where it turns in India, eastern part of India. This is Patkai Boom range. This one is Patkai Boom range. Okay, this one is Patkai Boom range. It may come in your examination, so you need to locate like this. Now, next is Nadan Sarkar. Children, this one is Nadan Sarkar. This one is Nadan Sarkar also. When we ask in sense of the coastal region, then this is Nadan Sarkar and this is Coromandel. This one is Malabar, Kanara and Konkan. Otherwise, if we have to ask Western Ghat, then this is your Western Ghat and this one is your Eastern Ghat. Okay, once again you see, this is Nadan Sarkar and this is Eastern Ghat too. If it will be asking Nadan Sarkar, then only this one, Eastern Ghat, then only this one, Western Ghat. And here the meeting point is Annamalai and Nilgiri is also there. It may ask Nilgiri is why important. Nilgiri is important because one side of Nilgiri hill coffee cultivation is there. Another side, that means Tamil Nadu side, eastern side, it is tea cultivation. That's why Nilgiri is very much important. Once again you see Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat, and here Nilgiri is there. Okay. Children, here it's a Malabar coast, Canara coast and Konkan. Malabar in Kerala, Canara in Karnataka and Maharashtra, Goa, Konkan. Mumbai, you can see this one is little bit cut. So here is Mumbai and here is Mumbai High. For crude oil, petroleum and all, this is Mumbai High, and in Assam, Digboi. These are the two sites, Mumbai High and Digboi for the crude oil or natural gas also. Plateau, this is Malwa Plateau, Deccan Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. Malwa, Deccan, Chota Nagpur. Gangetic Plain, UP, Uttarakhand, West Bengal and Assam. This is Gangetic Plain and these are the area for the alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. This is not Gangetic Plain. In Assam it's a Brahmaputra Plains. But this is Gangetic Plain as well as alluvial soil. This one and this one. Red soil in Jharkhand. Red soil, Jharkhand, Odisha. Black soil, Gujarat, Maharashtra. Okay, you can locate black soil. Now come to the laterite soil. It comes Garo Khasi Jaintia area, that is filled with the laterite soil, Garo Khasi Jaintia and Western Ghat also. Now the most populated state. Which one? Most populated state is the most fertile land. Apply your common sense. The most fertile land will be the most populated state. So thus it is UP. The Gangetic Plain, Yamuna Ganga Plains, Gangetic Plains is the most populated, most dense area in India, and the least populated, least dense area is Sikkim state. This one is Sikkim. Okay. And beside this dense, least dense, this is Nathula Pass. Here it's a Karakoram Pass. These two passes are there, Nathula Pass and Karakoram Pass. Lake